One of the great things about Sheets is the ability to share the document with others to edit, comment, or view. In this video, we're going to look at how to share a spreadsheet and the different options that are available, plus how we can download the file in different formats, and finally, how we can email the file and email the sheet collaborators. To share your spreadsheet from within the file, click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will open the Share dialog box. It's divided into two main sections: People with Access and General Access. People with Access is a list of specific people, groups, or calendar events that have access to the file. General Access controls whether the file is restricted to the people in the People with Access list, or whether it's shared with a company or school domain, or finally if anyone with the link can access the file. To add someone, type in their name in the Add People box. This is also the same for groups and calendar events, which adds event invitees. You then have the choice of permission to give them. Viewer can only view the file. Commenter can only view and leave comments. Editor can edit the file. Add expiry. This allows you to give access to someone until a specific date and time. You have the option to notify them that you're sharing the sheet with them and to send them a message. If you've chosen to notify them, they will receive an email notification. This also adds the file to their Shared With Me filter on their drive. To remove someone, click on the permission drop-down in People with Access and select Remove Access. The second section under Who Has Access is the general access to the file. By default, this is restricted to the people on the list. You can also open the access up to anyone in your company's domain if using a Google Workspace account, or anyone with the link. Then from there you can set whether everyone has viewer, commenter, or editor access. The domain option also allows you to control if the file will appear in search results and if they need to have the link to access the file. You can also copy the link to the file to share it with people. You can either do that from the Share dialog box or from the Share button. Click on the little triangle to the right of it and click Copy Link. If you copy the link and then paste it into a Gmail message, when you go to send the message, you will be prompted for how you want to share the file. You will need to confirm the permissions for each of the email recipients who currently don't have access, or if via anyone with the link. You also have the option of not sharing it with them, and only those with current access can do so. You can download your Google Sheet as a physical copy. Go to File, then click Download. Here you will find various formats you can download your sheet as. Just click the one you want and it will download it to your computer. If you want to send them a physical copy of the sheet, maybe because they don't have access to the Google Sheet, or you want to send them a snapshot of what's on there and not have live access to it, then you can send it as an Excel-friendly file, OpenOffice spreadsheet file, or as a PDF. Go to File, Email, email the file, fill in the email. Note you also have the option to include yourself. Then select which format you want. Note, if you have a spreadsheet with lots of formatting, links and formulas, sometimes there are problems when the file is converted to the Excel format. Also, if you have a big spreadsheet, the PDF format is sometimes very small to read. If in doubt, check before sending them by downloading the file. You can email those who have the sheet shared with them. Go to File, then click Email Collaborators. This will open the email people on the file box. Within it, you'll be able to send an email to those who the sheet is shared with. Ticking editors will add the editors in the box below, where you can delete the ones you don't want. Type in your message, change the subject if you want to. The default is the file name, and click Send. They will receive an email with the message and a link to the file. So there are lots of ways to share your sheet